artist, something like that, because you want to make money, because you want to do a job. That's the wrong way. You have to do this because you love it. And it doesn't matter if you broke, you still gonna do it. I mean, I go out to jam sessions and I play regardless of whether I'm getting a check or not. It's about whether you have to love this thing, man. You have to love it and breathe it. It's your morning coffee. It's your food. That's why you become an artist. Art is a mirror of society.
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris. Lost in Paris. I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris. It was over in a day. All the things I used to say, you kept to say. All the places we would go, all the songs we got to know, you held it up. I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris. I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
All in love in a lost place. Goddamn, got me running around in a rat race. Say grace, Lord, I fell in love with a small waist. Never stop, yeah, right, yeah, bang, shot me in my heart and it hurt case. She's so fly like a dove, that's a dove face. Don't know where she at now, but it's in her birthplace. Tom, don't tell her, but it's birth for
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris. I hope that you're warm and safe. That I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris. I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris. I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris. I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.